Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neicygolden if you're new here, and today I'm just going to be going through all the basic products I think you need as a beginner in makeup to just build your makeup kit. So first off, I'm going to start with prep. So you're going to need a primer, preferably one that goes with your skin type. So if you have dry skin, you're going to get something more moisturizing, something a little bit more hydrating. If you have oily skin, you're going to get something a little bit more mattifying, a mattifying primer to go with your foundation. Now you're going to need a foundation. If you want something that's affordable, I would recommend this one from Maybelline, and this is their Fit Me foundation. I am the shade 355 if you look similar to me. And if you want something a little bit more on the higher end, I have two here. These are my favorite. Whenever I don't want so much of a full coverage, I normally go with the NARS. And this is your light reflecting foundation. This is in the shade Macao. Or I will go with their NARS soft matte foundation when I want that full coverage look. And if you have oily skin, the soft matte is perfect. Okay, so after your foundation, I think the next thing you're gonna need is a good concealer. So my favorite is this one from Hourglass. I am out of it right now, but I am in the shade Maple. I would recommend getting a concealer that's two shades lighter than your skin tone, because you're gonna be using this to highlight. Another one I can recommend is also this one from the Fenty Beauty. This is the first concealer they launched. I haven't tried the new one yet. So Hourglass, Fenty, if you're looking for, suggestions. Okay, so after your concealer, I would say you'll need a good setting powder. I love this one from One Size. This is what you're gonna use to go in and set that concealer in place so that your makeup doesn't move and it lasts throughout the day. I use the shade Sweet Honey, so just make sure that you invest in a good setting powder. Now you can just move on to just setting your face as a beginner, but I like to add definition, a little bit of contour, a little bit of snatchiness. That's not a word, but yeah, I just like to add a little bit of a contour to my face. So I would say invest in a good bronzer. This is Mocha Mommy from Fenty Beauty. An affordable option that's really good is the Sephora collection bronzer as well. So Fenty Beauty, Sephora collection. Pick your choice, pick your price range. Now after bronzing, if you're like me and you like to add a little bit of color to the cheeks, you don't have to do this. This is completely optional. You can go ahead and add a blush to your kit. This one is affordable. This is from the Sephora collection, and this is in the shade Heated. It's a cute peachy blush. Or you can get one at the beauty supply store. This is a blush palette, and this is from Ruby Kisses. I love this. This is my favorite blush, by the way. My most affordable and favorite blush. Now, these are all the necessary things that you need to get your base down. Now for the lips. If you want to have a nice, cute little lip combo, the Sephora collection lip liners are immaculate. I have no issues with them. I have a couple of them here actually, so you can just get a good brown lip liner. This one is from Huda Beauty if you don't mind splurging. This is a nice brown and creamy lip pencil, and as I said, the Sephora collection, their lip liners are great as well, so you can check that out and just get yourself a cute little lip gloss, which I think every girl should have. A cute little lip gloss, and yeah, you're good to go. Just line your lips with a nice little cute lip liner, some lip gloss, and you're golden. Now I would recommend, a lot of people think that a setting spray is not necessary because you're going to set your face with your this, but I think that it's good to have a nice setting spray, and this is where I recommend that you splurge. If you do drugstore for everything else, I would say splurge on a good setting spray. I love this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Air Blush Flawless Setting Spray. Love, 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 love this one. So these are all the things that I think you need as products as a beginner in makeup, and you just want to get your kit started. Now when it comes down to tools, I would recommend that you get yourself these cute little puffs to, you know, set your face with, and invest in some makeup brushes so you don't have to get all overwhelmed. Just get a cute little brush set. You can get it at Sephora, you can get it on Shein. I have a Shein brush set here and it's holding up pretty well. So get a cute little brush set or some beauty sponges if that's what you prefer to apply your foundation and your cream products. Yeah, and you're golden. So these are all the things that I think are necessary for a beginner in makeup. And some of these products you can use to do more than one thing. So for instance, you're new in makeup, and I said if you like to give your face a little bit more of a definition, you could just get a bronzer. You can just use your same bronzer and give yourself a nice little smoky eye, a nice little brown eyeshadow. Nothing too fussy, it's just one shade, nothing too complicated, just easy. So a lot of these things you can use for more than one uses. You can use your lip liners and eyeliner. I'm not saying you should, but I'm saying I have done it before. Yeah, so these are the basics in my opinion. Feel free to subtract what you think you won't need. And I hope this video was very helpful to whoever it needs it, whoever is looking to start their makeup journey and don't know where to start. So yeah, comment down below and let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like for me to film for y'all, or any questions. Feel free to shoot them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.